Alright, what up YouTube? It's been a while since I last posted on here, so today we're going to do my first unboxing. Got my gas tank back from my painter, Tony Medellin. I'm super stoked about this. Um, just like to be fortunate enough to get a piece painted by Tony Medellin is like, I don't know, I'm just super lucky to have this piece, and I'm really excited to show you guys what he came up with. So the way this came about, um, with Tony, um, I wanted to get a new paint job or whatever, and he knew that, and he saw that I posted a set of wheels up, and he reached out to me and said, "Yo, like let's exchange a paint job for your set of wheels." So um, this is kind of how this happened. So I ordered a new tank from Lowbrow, had it drop shipped to Tony's place, and I told Tony like my colors, and I just allowed him to have free creative process to of the design and stuff like that. I'm the same way with tattoos. I try not to get in between an artist and their creative process. So I just tell them what I like, my style, and then allow them to kind of have free range of whatever they want to do with the piece. So that's what Tony did with this. And he sent me updates, and I kind of have an idea of what it looks like, but I've obviously never seen it in person, so I'm excited. So let's open it up. And don't mind me being on the ground because I don't have a table right now. But yeah. Oh shit. Let's see. Ha! Hooked it up with an old ass vintage Ice Cube tee. Good looking out, Tony. So if you guys don't know who Tony Medellin is, 2024, he was a Built People's Champ contestant. Unfortunately, he made it to the top 6, but he didn't make it to judging because his bike broke down, and in order to qualify for judging, your bike has to make it through the 50-mile ride into Cook's Corner. And unfortunately for him, his bike broke down um, before the 50-mile ride. I mean, it's kind of not a given, but you can't really blame him considering he built a knucklehead, and those motors are really old. But yeah, this is it. So just pull this bad boy out. Fuck yeah. But Tony's a really good dude. I met him for the first time at Built People's Champ last year. We had a good time. Got to hang out with him a little bit during Born Free 15, and then over the months we kind of kept in contact through text or Instagram. And yeah, he's just a really, really down-to-earth dude, really cool guy. And above all of that, like, he's a fucking hell of an artist. I do know that he won Ink Masters. I forget what season, but he was on Ink Masters because he's a tattoo artist by trade, and he also does paint jobs. Wow, holy shit! Look at that. So he does paint jobs for motorcycles on the side. Like I said earlier, I'm really, really lucky to have a paint job from him because I know he doesn't just paint for anybody, and to have a paint job like this from Tony is just, man, I'm fucking blessed. Yeah, so shout out to Tony Medellin, man. That guy's legit. He's the homie. I'm just gonna wipe it down with some detailer real quick, and then we're gonna bring it out to the sun. picked up this sweet billet. It's like billet with a stainless outer ring, but knurls on the side. Perfect. So yeah, let's take this out to the sun because I know he was telling me it has a lot of pearls. So it probably looks black to you guys right now, but it's not. So yeah, let me move the camera out to the sun. Alright, so here it is. Holy shit, this tank is so clean. Super clean lines. So yeah, like I said, Tony's a really cool dude, and I'm fucking so lucky to have this art piece by him, man. To me, motorcycles are, it's art, especially choppers. And to have a piece by somebody like him is just, it's fucking, man, I'm so lucky. Man, that thing looks so good. I don't know if you guys can see the pearl, but I think there's pearl. Not much flakes, but yeah, this thing is so sick. I'm pretty sure this video does not do it justice. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. For those of you who have subscribed, I do appreciate the subscription. Following me along my journey with motorcycles and building choppers and shit like that. And yeah, I just appreciate you guys. So next on the bike, I will be putting the tank. What else? I have a new oil bag getting made right now. Since I'm not running an oil filter, my boy Aaron, or Ace, is retrofitting a Triumph style filter on the feed line. If you're not familiar with it, you can Google it and see what I'm talking about. It's becoming a new thing with these old horseshoe oil tanks. So yeah, he's retrofitting it's from a Triumph, but it's an oil filter that goes into here, and that way you still kind of maintain the aesthetic of not running an oil filter, but with an oil filter built into the horseshoe oil bag. So got that coming. What else? And then I gotta put on that new rear fender, new sissy bar strap, and a whole new sissy bar. So I got a few things coming, and yeah. So hopefully you guys stay tuned, and if you guys like these videos and you like the progress that I'm making on my bike, then hopefully you can subscribe and continue watching what I do to this bike. But hopefully I have everything done and dialed in by Born Free 16, which is this year. It's in June. I'm hoping to have the tank, the fender, new sissy bar, new oil bag, and what else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, and also shout out to LNSPLTBLVD. I'm sure you guys follow them. It's probably one of, if not the best motorcycle content YouTube channel. But he sent me a pair of these along with the other colors. So this is his new SEIGAIHA. I don't even know how to say it, but it's the Japanese wave grips. And I think these white ones might fucking match really well. Or even the green ones. We'll see. I'm leaning more towards these white ones. I've never had white grips, so I think it'll be rad. But yeah. that's going to be coming up next. And then, yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching this video, and hopefully I can continue making more videos for you. All right, peace out.